I tossed my black turtleneck because that one I've had for 3 years and it's like not getting any better. And it's got that stink of, you know, of cycling all the time in it, and it's got like salt as you sweat and the salt leaves your body. It's got like salt marks everywhere that you can't wash off. You can't wash them out anymore. So guys, I thought I'd call it a day of departure with that one. A day of departure with that one, and I think today the one I'm cycling in, the red one, well, actually I like the red one. On Fridays at work, we try to honor those deployed by wearing red, and so this one I really like wearing it. Knights of Columbus, adopt a street. Alright, cool sign there. So hey guys, we're starting to see, broken glass. A little bit of the country here with a cornfield. So yeah, if I'm not mistaken guys, we stayed kind of left or east of downtown last night, but if you Google the hotel you'll know exactly. But yeah, I believe that we were quite east of downtown, and so I think we're gonna move up this northeast corridor of the city, and I think we've been on the road for 4 miles. We've been on the road for 4 miles, guys, so I'm thinking very shortly it might be we might soon start seeing the city limits. Yeah, we're gonna have to get smaller gloves, guys, to fondle our grapes. So there's like a American flag hanging there with the Irish flag below it. There must be some proud Irish Americans there, or Americans of Irish descent. So we're in maybe a suburb called Twin Lakes here, because there's a sign for it there. I have to look closer to it on the map. Yeah, buddy. So make a little sharp right at the stop sign. And then continue north. Nice job so far on the terrain and the topography. Guys, it's pretty flat. So yeah, yesterday I had to walk a few hills. Oh, there's gonna be a street calling me here called Maiden. Look at that hill. Yeah, see guys, I had to hit a bunch of those yesterday on the way ahead. Little teeny hill there. And it seems like, I think we're gonna be on maybe the first trail so far. Oh, I feel like there's like a park here or something, or a reserve. There we go. Nice hill all the way down. Right on that hill, on that bump. Alright. Hey guys, nice hill down. Well, right here we're back on Dirksen Parkway. So that Dirksen Parkway must kind of travel